As you create a worksheet, you may find it necessary to copy or move information from one location to another. Excel makes copying or moving ranges of cells easy. Here are some common things you might do. Let us start with simple copy and paste techniques. Let's select the data for first 3 cities. Click and drag to select these range of cells. Then press Ctrl and C to copy. This is the keyboard shortcut to copy the data. When you copy a cell or range, Excel surrounds the copied area with an animated border referred to as marching ants. As long as that border remains animated, the copied information is available for pasting. Select a cell where you want to paste the data and press Ctrl and V to paste. Press Escape to disable the command. You notice these hash marks filling up a few cells. If hash symbols fill a cell, the column isn't wide enough to accommodate the information in the cell. Let's increase the width of the column to solve the problem. To increase the column width, take your mouse pointer to the border between the 2 column headers. When it turns into a double-headed arrow, double-click the left mouse button. Excel will automatically increase the width of the column. Let's increase the column width for the remaining column as well. Whenever you cut or copy information, it gets copied onto the clipboard. To open the clipboard, click on this dialog box launcher in the clipboard group of the Home tab. Let's copy some data to the clipboard. Select this range of cells. Press Ctrl C to copy the data. The best advantage of Clipboard is that the data that is copied in Microsoft Excel can be used in Word as well as PowerPoint. Pasting data from a clipboard is also very easy. Select the cell where you want to paste the data and just click on the data in the clipboard. The data is pasted. You can also copy data from one worksheet to another. Let's try doing it. Select the entire table. Press Ctrl and C. Then click on Sheet 2. Select any cell and press Ctrl and V. You can see the hash marks again. Instead of adjusting the column widths for all the columns, the Paste option itself provides a solution for this. A smart tag appears at the lower right corner of the pasted range. Click the smart tag or press Ctrl. And you see a few options here. These options enable you to specify how the data should be pasted, such as values only or formatting only. Let's click on Keep Source Column Widths. Now you can see that data is copied with original column widths. Click anywhere to deselect. Let's go to sheet number 1 by clicking on sheet 1. You can still see the marching ants, which means that you are still in the copy command. Press Escape to exit the copy command. Now let's select the data for a few cities. Press Ctrl and C to copy. Select the cell where you want to paste the data and press Ctrl and V. Press the Ctrl key and select the Transpose Paste option. Transpose changes the orientation of the copied range. Rows become columns and columns become rows. Press the Escape key to exit the copy command. Let's learn another way to copy the data in the same sheet. Select the data of these 4 cities. Press and hold Ctrl and take your mouse pointer to the border of the table. You can see a small plus sign appearing above the pointer. Keeping your pointer on the border and holding down the Ctrl key, click the left mouse button and then drag the selection where you want to paste it. It will get pasted only after you let go of the left mouse button. It is important to remember that the Control button is pressed down during the whole procedure, or else your data will be shifted rather than being copied. You can also move the particular data by using the cut-paste function. Select this table, press Ctrl and X, and you will see the marching ants, which shows that the command is in operation. Select this cell and press Ctrl and V, and you will see the whole data has been moved. Select the whole table and take the mouse pointer on the border. The pointer changes into a four-headed arrow. Clicking and holding the left mouse button, drag it here. When you let go of the left mouse button, you will see the whole data gets shifted. This concludes our tutorial on cut, copy and paste.